Now let's take 4 columns, one for particulars, the other 3 for A, B, C of 3 patterns of capital structure. Let's have operating profit that is EBIT. So as shown that EBIT in the problem, operating profit is 5,000 in all the 3 patterns. Means the operating EBIT is same in all the 3 patterns. So here in the first pattern, that is capital structure, consists of equity, shares and debt. So in this case we have to, debts are different in the different companies and also equity capital is also different. Now depending upon the percentage of interest on debt, we have to deduct it from the EBIT. That is interest on debt at 10%. So here in the first case there is 25,000 debt, 10% of 25,000 is 2,500. And in the second case it is 45,000 being 4,500 as its interest. And in the third case debt is only 10,000 and the interest being only rupees 1,000. Now we have to deduct it from this one, so that we got 4,000 and 500 and here 2,500. So this will be called as profit before tax. Profit before tax. So now we have to tax rates have not been given in this. So now we have to calculate the financial leverage. So financial leverage equals to EBIT divided by PBT. So in the first case the EBIT is 5,000 and PBT is 2,500. Second case EBIT is same 5,000 and PBT is 500. And third case also EBIT is 5,000 and PBT is 4,000. Now it is the financial leverage. Financial leverage is, in first case it is 2 times, second case it is 10 times, third case it is 1.25 times. So by this what we find, financial leverage will tells us in case if there is a increase in the debt, there will be increase in the financial leverage. As we can see in the second case, the debt has been increased to 45,000 whereas the equity capital is only 15,000. Means in the pattern, so it is 15,000 being equity capital and debt being 45,000. So that's why the leverage is more here, that is 10 times. When compared to the C, A is better. Why? Because the EBIT being same, but the interest is, the debt is 25,000, 50% of that. So that's why there is an increase in the financial leverage of 2 times. And it is, financial leverage is very poor, that is 1.25 in third case. It is because that the debt being only 10,000. So it is the first pattern. So we have three patterns of capital structure. One is capital structure consists of equity, shares and debt. This is the first case we have taken, that is capital structure consists of equity, share and debt. In the second case, you take down second case, capital structure consists of equity, shares and preference shares. There is no debt, only equity shares and preference shares. So here we can write down this one like a computation of EBIT, and PBT in the second pattern. So in the second pattern, so actually that is existing and increased. The capital structure consists of 10% debentures of 10 lakhs and equity share capital of 10 lakhs again. The amount of operating profit is rupees 6 lakhs and the company is in 50% tax brackets. You are required to calculate the financial leverage. So now first we have to start with the existing profit and increased profit. And what is the financial leverage? We have to find out here. So you take down two columns, one for existing profits and increased profit. So you have to take particulars like this. So put a column over here, make line like this. Next is two columns you make. Okay, fine. Now you have to write, start with operating profit. As no need to discuss or explain operating profit. Why? Because you have already studied in the financial management capital structure chapter with the EBIT, how the EPS is to be calculated with the help of this EBIT. We have already seen, but here only the financial leverage we have to learn here. So existing profit, as they have given in the problem, the amount of operating profit is 6 lakhs in the existing case. And second case, that is what would be the new financial leverage if the operating profit increases to 9 lakhs. So at the existing level there is a EBIT of 6 lakhs and in the second case that is increased profit to 9 lakhs. Now we have to see that less deduct interest on the existing profit. So interest being 10% of debentures. Debentures are 10 lakhs. 10% of debentures of 10 lakhs is 1 lakh rupees. And in the second case also the debentures are similar, that is 10 lakhs. So the interest being 1 lakh. Now if you deduct this one, you are going to get profit before tax. Profit before tax. So in the first case PBT is 5 lakhs and in the second case PBT is 8 lakhs. Now we have to calculate the financial leverage. For calculating financial leverage, the formula is EBIT divided by PBT. PBT. So EBIT is, as they have given, that is 6 lakhs, and PBT as calculated now, it is 5 lakhs. Second case, the EBIT is 9 lakhs and PBT is 8 lakhs. So the answer you will get is 1.2 and 1.11 times. Financial leverage. So this is how we have to prepare. In this case also, we are going to take, like at the increased level of profit, the financial leverage is less, whereas at the existing profits, the financial leverage is more. So interpretations we can say in this way: the existing profits, write down interpretations, the existing profit rupees 6 lakhs increased to 9 lakhs. It means increase of rupees 3 lakhs, increase of rupees 3 lakhs, that is 50%. 3 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs means 3 lakhs being 50% of 6 lakhs. This has resulted in taxable profit by increasing to 60%. From rupees 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs. See girls, how it has been increased. Means 60% means here, that is 3 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100 being 60%. So means if there is increase in the profit, being the debt remaining same, the financial leverage is going to come down. So they are supposed to increase the debt share in the second case, that we have learned. So means with the help of this financial leverage, we will come to know that we can compare the 2 years, 2 companies, or means the same company with the existing position as well as the anticipated position. So here this is very important, that's the calculation of the financial leverage to take up any decisions in the changing the capital structure of an organization. Okay, thank you. Next, we have to see the third capital structure.